Today I'm going to discuss logical instructions related to the 8085 microprocessor. So first instruction is ANI instruction. Second instruction is ORA instruction. Third instruction is XRA instruction. And fourth instruction is bitwise complement, that is one's complement. And last instruction is 2s complement. Now let's start. Okay, start with ANI instruction. The meaning of ANI instruction is AND with immediate content with the accumulator. Apply the AND operation with immediate content with the accumulator. This is the meaning of ANI instruction. So let's see how ANI works. So for this, we should uncomment the instruction ANI. See what will be the output and how it works. So after uncommenting, save it first. Now let's understand what is the meaning of MVI A, 12. Move the 12 in accumulator A, ANI 25, and 12. Apply AND operation with accumulator content 12 and store the result at 2200 with the instruction STA2200. Now last instruction is HLD. So how it works? See first the observation related to AND operation. So 12, this is 12. The binary representation of 12 is 4 times 0, 11 and 00. And binary representation of 25 is 00, 11, 00 and 1. After applying AND operation to the 12 and 25, we get the result 8 in decimal. And how we get 8? So you can see here 0 and 1 become 0, 0 0 become 0, 1 0 become 0, 1 1 become 1, 0 1 become 0, and 0 0 become 0, 0 0 become 0, and 0 0 become 0. So finally we get 4 times 0, 1 and triple 0, and the decimal equivalent of this binary is 8. So let's move to the simulator and see what will be the result after executing this program. So now this is the memory panel, and reset the memory. This is 0. Now execute it from this place. So after executing this, we get the result 8 at the memory address 2200. This is about ANI instruction. Now comment all the instruction related to ANI and move to the next logical instruction, ORA, that is OR instruction. So this is ORA instruction. So uncomment the instruction with semicolon from the each and every instruction of the program. And seeing what will be the output. Okay, so 12, this is 12 in accumulator, 25 in register B, and apply the OR operation on 12 and 25, and it is and store the result at the memory address 2200. So before execution, let's reset the memory, and now at the memory address 2200, now data is 0. So execute it After executing, we get the 29 at the memory address 2200. So how it works? See the observation. Now 12 can be represented in the binary form like this: 4 times 0, 1100, and 25 is 000, 1100, and 1. After applying OR operation over the 12 and 25, we get the result 000, 111, 01. The decimal equivalent of this binary is 29, and you can see the 29 in the memory address 2200. So how it works? 01 become 1, 00 become 0, 10 become 1, 1 and 11 become 1, 01 become 1, 00 becomes 0, 00 becomes 0, 00 becomes 0, and finally we get 29. Okay, this is all about ORA instruction or logical OR instruction. Now comment all the instruction related to this to the next, that is XORL instruction. Save it. Now reset the memory. Move to the XOR operation. Example of XOR operation. Uncomment all the instruction. Related to XOR operation. Okay. Now save it and execute part will be the output. So after executing, we get the result 21 at the memory address 2200. Now, what are the meaning of XOR operation and how it works? You can see 12 is in the accumulator and 25 is in register B. After applying XOR operation, XOR B, we get the result at the memory address 2200. The result is 21. So, how it works? Binary representation of 12 is 4 times 0, 11 and 00, and binary representation of 25 is 000, 11001. Now apply the XOR operation over these binary. So 01 become 1, 00 become 0, 10 become 1, 11 become 0, 01 become 1, 00 become 0, 00 become 0, 00 become 0. So we get the 000, 10101, and decimal equivalent of this binary is 21. So this is all about XOR operation. Now comment all the instructions related to XOR operation. And save it and reset the memory. Okay. Now next, logical instruction bitwise complement. Okay, how we get complement of a number. Okay, so uncomment the instruction. Okay, I can uncomment it, save it, and execute. What will be the output of 35? Once complement of 35. 35 is in decimal. Okay. 2 to 0. This is the ones complement of 35. So MVIA 35, CMA is used for complement, bitwise complement, and store the result at the memory address 00. Now 35, the binary equivalent of 35 is 001 000 111, and bitwise complement operation of 35 is you can invert the numbers, like 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1. And finally we get the binary value 110 11100. This is equivalent to 220 in decimal. So you can see here we get the result 220 at the memory address 2200. This is all about complement of a number. Okay. So comment all the instruction related to complement, bitwise complement. Next program 2s complement. So before moving, reset all the memory content and save it. And this is the program of 2s complement. So uncomment all the instruction and comment it. This is the program of 2s complement after given numbers. Okay. So execute it. We take the number, decimal number 12, and convert it. We convert it in the 2s complement. So after executing, we get the result 243 at 2200. This is ones complement of 12, and 2201 at the memory address 2201. We get the result 244. So what will be the output and of this value, this decimal value and hexadecimal value? So apply here. You can type 243 and see F3. Okay, F3. F3 is stored at the memory address 2200. Now convert 244. See what will be the hexadecimal value F4. This become F4. So store the F4. This is hexadecimal equivalent of the 243 and 244. Okay. 243 is ones complement of 12 and 244 is 2s complement of 12. Okay. Now how it works? First of all, we take the number 12, decimal number 12 in the accumulator A, and apply the CMA instruction and get the complement value of 12 at the memory address 2200. Now after getting the ones complement of 12, apply the instruction ADI 01. ADI 01 means add immediate 01 at the accumulator. So currently we get there are 243 in the accumulator, and after adding 01 we get 244 and in the accumulator, and we can store it 244 at the memory address 2201 and finally terminate the program. Okay. This is all about the 2s complement. Now you can see here some more example related to the 2s complement. Here you can see 12, and binary representation of 12 is this, and ones complement of 12 is this, and after adding 1 we get the negative value, this is the negative value, and this is equivalent to 244. Okay, this is all about logical instructions. You can study here logical instructions A and I, OR operation, XOR operation, and one's complement and two's complement related to 8085 microprocessor. Okay, if you think this is beneficial for you, then you can like my channel, like my video, and you can share my video, and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.